Okay, good day, people. Welcome to this presentation of X3 Matrix, where it's a low entry with a fast flow. So, first of all, my name is Johan Botha. I'm from South Africa, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a tax advisor or a legal advisor. So, this presentation is for educational purposes only and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So let's see what is X3 matrix. Okay, it gives the opportunity to members worldwide to come in on a very, very low entry fee. It starts off with about 10 Rand in South Africa or 55 US dollar cents. Right, it works with BNB on the OP BNB network. Right, so it's got a fast flow because everything is managed by the smart contract. So you're not dependent on an admin person or a support person that must send the funds or make withdrawals. Everything is done by the smart contract for you. It's automated upgrades and it's continuous recycling. Right, let me just get this. Where is it now? Oh, there it is. All right, so let's look at the compliant way to understand X3 matrix. The system works with where BNB is routed automatically, but the outcomes are never guaranteed. In this online space, actually any investment, this is not an investment, but any online money making platform, nothing can be guaranteed. Right, there's lots of different things that you have to consider before joining any online platform. Right, but the risks have been mitigated as far as we can. We cannot control the market conditions or the economy. That is totally out of our hands, and we cannot control the access to the internet. If the internet completely stops, then you won't be able to work on the smart contract. That is basically the only risk that we have here. And then the value of BNB that will diminish, it will go lower, that we cannot control that. But otherwise, the smart contract codes are written in a way that nobody can stop them, change them, or manipulate them. So it will always function like that and operate when those conditions are met. Right? Don't worry if you do not understand what a smart contract is or how it works. That can be discussed in a different session as well. Right, so X3 is a decentralized on-chain 14 slot matrix where contract rules handle the placement, the routing, the upgrades, and the recycling. You don't have to do anything at the end of the day. Once you have qualified, once you have registered and qualified, and every position or person does the same, you can really, that's the minimum that you actually need to do. Right, X3 is not a bank, it's not a managed investment, and it's not a guaranteed income product, and it's not financial advice. Please take note of this. Nobody is promising anything to you, but what I am also saying is that the smart contract cannot be manipulated. If the conditions are met, there is no other ways for the smart contract to execute. Right, so meaning that nobody can stop it, nobody can reroute the funds. At the end of the day, that is what the members are looking for, is how to accumulate extra income online as easy as possible. Right, so members' responsibility. You need to understand how the contract works. You need to know that you need to qualify with the minimum of 2 directs and use only risk capital. In other words, do not use funds that you cannot afford to lose. Don't use your rent money or your food money to pay for anything in life, for that matter. Even if it looks too good to be true or too lucrative, take a calculated risk. See what you can afford, right? And then comply with the local rules of your own countries or your authorities' rules, especially when it comes to crypto and tax compliance. We know that there's a lot of changes these days, and lots of countries are bringing in their own crypto rules, and we have seen in South Africa as well. People are watching that with the eagle's eyes. So we're not sure yet what is going to happen, but you need to comply with that, and that is nobody can get past that. Right, let's move on with this. Okay, X3 matrix, there's three engines that works together basically. It's the referral structure. There's two matrices, the referral tree that I will show you as well, and the payout matrix, which is the important one. This one is totally different from anything that you have seen in this space. And then also the continuous recycle engine, right? Where 14 slot board completes, or slot 14 completes, that position will recycle back into the same level again. If it's on level 5, it will recycle back into level 5. You only get upgraded once to a level, and once you complete a cycle, you enter the second cycle or the subsequent cycles after that. And we look at the difference between the two cycles as well. All right, so the referral tree and the payout matrix are related, but they are not identical. So what is the qualification criteria in X3 matrix? This is the basic minimum qualification criteria that anyone can achieve, and most members qualify themselves because it's such a low entry cost for a position in X3. Right, to qualify, you need at least 2 direct referrals. The BNB is routed to the position that can be received. Only when you have received or you have referred 2 direct referrals, you qualify to receive payments when you qualify to receive them, according to the contract rules. Right, so the member can still choose higher level upgrades at any time. You can upgrade to any level, even if you haven't referred anybody yet, or you haven't added 2 positions yet. Your 2 positions that you add or refer does not have to be on the same level as you also. Right, so if you are on level 10 and your 2 directs are on level 1, you are still qualified. So they don't have to be on the same level as you are. But if you have 2 or less than 2 direct referrals, then you are not qualified to receive payment when you do qualify. It will skip you and it will go to the treasury fund to support the platform. Right, but in any case, it depends on what level you are on. In most cases, it's level 1 that gets most because members are inviting or adding members faster enough before they can refer their 2 directs, and then what they miss is 0.001 BNB, and that is 55 US dollar cents. Right, in most cases. Right, so that will then be routed to the treasury or the platform funds, and your action that you can take, you cannot replace that or return that money. The only thing that you can do to remedy that is to qualify yourself first with 2 positions. And as I said, most members qualify themselves by just registering 3 positions or 14 positions to complete their referral tree. It depends obviously on the amount of funds that you have available. All right, so how does this payment work? So this is what the matrix looks like. It's you at the top. There's 14 positions on each level, on each matrix. Right, but this is the payout board, which works in this way. You are at the top. You are always at the top. There's nobody that many people say, yeah, but only the people at the top are receiving. Yeah, you are at the top. You are always at the top. Remember that. Right, when your first direct comes in, it will land under your left side on position number 1 or slot 1. The second direct will land on slot 2, but the first direct payment does not go to you. The second direct payment does not go to you. The first payment goes 1 level up to your upline. So the second payment goes 2 levels up to his upline. Right, remember that, and that's also going to happen to you when you complete your team, when they start to grow. They will start paying you, your directs will start paying you when they introduce more positions, and their directs will start paying you as well from the second position that spills up 2 levels above you. Your first position and payout that you receive is position number 3. So many members, they come in and they register 3, although 2 is the minimum to qualify for payments. Number 3 will guarantee pay you or go to your wallet because no one can change the code. That is how the smart contract is coded. That number 3 position or slot number 3 is a direct payment to you. The first payment of 6 in your first cycle. That will always go to you. Position number 3 on the payout matrix. Right, now position number 4 and position number 5, that both together, they upgrade you to the next level. So if you are on level 1, and by the way, all the levels, they look exactly the same and they function exactly the same as this. So on the first cycle, remember there's 2 cycles. The first cycle when you enter the platform, and when you complete position 14, that will end your cycle 1, and then you will enter again on level 1 or whatever level it is. So that will become your cycle number 2. And from there on, if you recycle again, that will just be subsequent cycles. But then there's a different routing of the funds of 4 and 5. But if you do not upgrade yourself to higher levels, the contract will upgrade you by using position number 4, keeping it for reserve, and combining it with position or slot number 5 total, and that will be double the amount of your current level. So if it is a level 1, it's 0.001 here and 0.001 there. That it gives you 0.002, which is the exact cost for the upgrade to the level 2. And the contract will upgrade you instantly to level 2. The funds here is not kept by anyone, it's kept on the blockchain and no one has got access to those funds for the slot number 4 in cycle 1 only. Right, cycle 2 works a little bit differently, but as soon as slot number 5 comes in or lands on your payout matrix board, then that the contract automatically upgrades you to the next level, irrespective of what level you are on. If you have not upgraded yourself to higher levels, the contract will upgrade you once position number 5 is filled up. Right, that is how the upgrade works on cycle 1. So now position 6, 8, the green ones, position 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 is other direct payments directly to your wallet. So there's 6 payments already sent to you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on your first cycle. Meaning you have just entered and you are in the process of moving through or filling up this payout matrix. That is your first cycle. Now, what makes this totally different from any other platform or matrix is that position 7, 10, and 13 spills down to support your team at the bottom. Now, position 7 spills down 1 level to your left. And position 10 spills down 1 level to your right. Position 13 spills down 2 levels to your left. Right, and then position 14, when position 14 lands on your payout matrix, it recycles you back into the same level. If this was level 1, you will be back into the same level under your upline, under your referrer. You will follow him or her forever. You will always follow the referrer, the person whose link you used. You will always follow him, follow on his or his matrix again and again and again. Right, so if there's no eligible upline found, then it places you under the owner, and all the funds are sent to the treasury fund. Right, so here's just a breakdown of what it is. On cycle 1 here, you can see it clearly. Cycle 1 is the upgrade focus routing. If you do not upgrade yourself, you can choose to upgrade to higher levels yourself, but if you don't upgrade, This is how it works. Position 1 and 2 spill up. Position 1 goes up 1 level. Position 2 goes up 2 levels. 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 is direct payments to you. On your first cycle, there's 6 direct payments to you. Position 4 on cycle 1 is upgrade reserve. Position 5 is upgrade trigger, which will automatically upgrade you to the next level. Position 7, 10, and 13 is spill downs to support your downline, as I just explained there. And then position 14 will always recycle you back into the same level. Right, then what happens on cycle 2 and beyond? That's the recycling where the main engine of this platform is. Right, so after your first cycle, the board keeps working, but in different ways, in 2 most important slots, is slot number 4 and 5. Right, on later stages, now you've completed cycle 1. Now what happens to slot number 4? Slot number 4 now feeds the royal pool instead of holding the first cycle to upgrade, because you have already been upgraded to the next level. That is only if you have not upgraded yourself. Right, so slot 5 on the later cycles also become a paid position for the qualified matrix owner. In other words, yourself. If you are the owner of that matrix, slot 5 will go to you in the later cycles. Right, then slot 14 repeats and will recycle you back into the same level once again. Remember, slot 4 and 5 upgrades you, 14 recycles you back into that same level. Right, now the new version 2 functionality, choose higher levels. Any member can now has the freedom to choose whatever level he wants to upgrade to. In the previous version, you had to wait for the team to push you up. Now you can upgrade yourself, and you can do it at any time, right from the start, right from the registration. So there are 12 levels. A new member can choose any entry package up to level 12. The contract calculates the package cost and activates each included level. Now remember, there are different costs for each level. Everything doubles as you upgrade. But if you want to upgrade, you're not going to pay only the level cost. You will pay the including from level 1. It will calculate your cost in BNB, and then you can upgrade all, and it will activate all of those levels. Right now, existing members can also upgrade from where they are, because all the members have been migrated from version 1 over to version 2. Right now, but the qualification still applies. You can upgrade as high as you can, but you still need to refer to direct positions with your link or to your position to receive payment when you do qualify, right? If you do not qualify, if you only have 1 direct or 0 directs, that funds will go to the treasury fund if you are not qualified. And as I said, those 2 positions can be on level 1. They don't have to be on the same level as you. But every position must be qualified to receive payment. So that is, let's look at the version 2 code functions in plain English. The package cost, that is your level basically. This shows the total BNB needed for the new user to enter at whatever level they choose to do. Okay, and then the registration, this is the smart contract code, the explanations. This code, if you look at the smart contract, you'll see this, and that will mean that registers a new user or activates entry level, including the chosen package. This is for the smart contract itself, if you want to go and work there. Right, then upgrade cost, this is the code that it uses on the smart contract. And then upgrade to next level, and then pause, finalize controls. Right, this was for the migration. Let me just get to the package cost, the potential, what you can achieve or earn in X3 matrix. Now, I think for this, I will go to the other, the WhatsApp image, because this is just explained. But you can see here on cycle 1, you're going to get paid 6 times. On cycle 2, you're going to get paid 7 times. Because there's 1 extra payment that comes to you on cycle 2 and beyond. Right, so you will receive, let's look at level 7. And we've seen sparks yesterday on level 7, 6, 5, 6, and 7. That is where you can see a difference already, because members have been complaining it's taking too long and it's too many positions to get somewhere, and then we decided to migrate everyone to version 2 to upgrade whenever you want to and as high as you can. So on cycle 1, you will receive 6 payments. On cycle 2, you will receive an extra payment because you are upgraded already. All right, if you look at level 7 only, you're going to receive this 0.064 7 times. And that's going to give you 0.384 BNB on your first cycle. On your second cycle, it's going to give you 0.448 BNB. So that's the difference. All right, and if you look at if you're going to compare the cost and the profit, then it's much more. I can't remember what this is in rand or dollar value, but it's very, very a huge difference there. It's 7 times more than what you paid for it. Right, and how do you get there? How do you fill up your payout matrix? You just assist your own team to do the same. And it's basically, it sounds very easy and simple, but it is actually very easy and simple. It sounds too easy, but it is not that difficult. Right, so existing members can upgrade, and here's just some examples. If you're on level 1 and you want to upgrade to level 5, you're just going to pay a difference for level 2, 3, 4, and then 5. That's going to cost 0.03 BNB. If you are on level 3 and you want to go to level 5, you just pay for level 4 and 5. And you're going to pay 0.024 BNB instead of the lower levels as well. All right, so that's why it's always good to upgrade as high as you can. But if you want to go from level 4 to level 5, it's only going to cost you 0.016 for level 5. Remember, you cannot enter with that amount on level 5. You have to purchase the level 1 to 4 as well, including level 5. So that will basically be double 0.032. Right, and level 5 to level 8, there's more examples there. Right, why recycling is the heartbeat of X3 matrix. A completed 14 slot cycle does not end the position, it starts another cycle. All right, people, this will be recycling continuously forever, as long as there is movement in the matrix. There's nothing that can stop this. No one can stop it. Right, as long as the members are active and they are sharing it, because everybody needs extra income and everyone can afford this. There will be a movement, even if it is slow. We don't know how long it's going to take. Nobody can give any indication because it depends on the activity of the members. The contract, there's no issue with the contract. It will operate as long as the internet exists on planet Earth. Right, the only thing is what we can control is ourselves. We need to focus on that. Right, so when a cycle completes, slot 14 closes the current board and recycles it back into that same level again. The full board remains visible as historical contract evidence. You cannot see it again. It's only recorded, but you can't see that specific board again. You will only see the current one. Right, then position re-enters the same position, starts a new cycle at the same level. Some positions have entered cycle number 9, 10 already on the lower levels. Right, so it is subject to routing and the contract placement. Right, and then the flow continues. Later cycles keeps producing paid slots, Royal Pool support, and fresh recycle opportunities. The Royal Pool, which is a weekly incentive for those who are most active in the platform. Right, so the Royal Pool is designed to reward behavior that strengthens the whole structure. Remember, many people ask me, why do I need to refer to people? That is what keeps the program healthy. That ensures basically the continuation of the program is for you to uh, refer to directs at least. And they don't need to be other people. They only need to be two positions. And they just need to be on level 1, basic entry level. Right, so how is the Royal Pool fed? From cycle 2 and later, slot 4 that usually was held for the upgrade in cycle 1 is now sent to the Royal Pool instead of the first cycle upgrade reserve. So that goes to the Royal Pool, and as more members recycle and operate on higher levels, the pool can grow in BNB terms. And we've seen a dramatic growth in the Royal Pool balance since yesterday. Well, actually, the day before that, since the version of 2 was launched. So yes, how is it used? The builder score, excuse me, the builder score can reward direct referrals, excuse me, team qualification, upgrades, and recycle activity. Right, so there is a point system that gets calculated. Every member gets, there's 4 categories. The winner, the overall winner gets 40% of the Royal Pool for that week. Then there's 3 other categories which receives 20% of that pool. And that gets distributed every Friday, South African time midnight. But we're looking to change the times, and we will let everybody know. That is basically the only concept of X3 that is managed off chain. Right, so the winners are the winners are and splits are community admin managed and must be community transparent or communicated transparently, and that's what is being done every Friday at the moment. Right, so you and I have got control over that because you control your own activity and your own action, depending on how many team members you assist or add or recycle levels or help your team to recycle. That counts towards your Royal Pool score. Right, so first mover advantage. At this moment, okay, this has changed now because when this was written, there was no members on level 5 yet. There is currently 4 on level, no, there's 4, 5, 6 on level 7 at this moment. All right, the last time I logged in. All right, today I haven't had a chance to go in there yet. The wallet doesn't allow me to go in, but I'll try on my phone. All right, so that means that the top levels are still open. There is nobody there yet. Only position number 1 is on all 12 levels. So that it has to be there because it is the owner position. Right, so what the first movers do, they qualify early and help their direct referrals to qualify and use the dashboard data and consider responsibly higher level upgrades before the upper levels become too crowded. Right, but it will never be too crowded because you will always be at the top and you will have a brand new matrix below you. And remember, the recycling always puts you in a new matrix, a new payout matrix as well. So everybody has got the opportunity to choose what level he wants to upgrade. It is still early in the version 2 matrix. We're only day 4 at this moment. Right, so practical member action plan. First of all, what you need to do, you need to register. Then you need to qualify yourself with your 2 directs. And then help those 2 directs to qualify themselves as well. And then watch your dashboard. All right, start understanding and learning the system. I still keep learning new things on a regular basis. So, and then upgrade responsibly. If you do not understand, ask. Make sure that you join a WhatsApp group where you get information. And don't assume something if you do not know the answer. Right. Then upgrade responsibly, but you know it's going to count in your favor, and understand how you can develop that position that you have upgraded. And then obviously keep recycling, and that is just by taking action, you will be recycled continuously. All right, then on your matrix, on your dashboard, you will need to learn how the referral tree works and how the payout matrix works. They look exactly the same, but they work differently. And then also how to read your dashboard. We will do a separate training on that. And then missed payments. Well, missed payments only happens when you do not have two direct referrals. Right, and then the royal pool, as I can explain it in more detail in a different session as well. Or get into the WhatsApp groups. There is where it is already explained as well. Right, and here is the smart contract address for version 2. It's X3 V2. All right, it's already verified on the blockchain. And that is basically the end of this presentation. I wanted to go into the dashboard, but the wallet is not opening to show you here, as it is just in a blank mode at the moment. But on the next session, it should, I will sort this out. There's probably just some hiccup somewhere. But yes, thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. We have just 2-3 minutes left. So if there's no questions, Moses, welcome. Do you have any questions? I just want to stop the recording here.